This is how to fry an egg in the microwave. Use any microwave safe dish. Poke the egg twice with a fork as shown. Put the dish in the microwave. Make sure to cover the dish while you experiment with the settings. Start with say 90 seconds at power level 2. If it is not done as you want, you could add 15 more seconds at power level 2. You could also experiment with say 75 seconds at power level 3 and then 15 seconds at power level 2. Experiment till you find your perfect settings and doneness, and enjoy.